Looking to upgrade your trading strategy in 2025? Then you're exactly where you need to be. Let us introduce you to AI Arbitrage, a smart, AI-driven trading platform made for both beginners and experienced traders who want to grow their crypto portfolios with ease, efficiency, and zero stress. Important: to avoid fake sites or scam versions, always use the official AI Arbitrage link in the description to get started securely. Let's be real, the crypto market moves fast. Prices shift by the second, trends appear and vanish in hours, and if you're not constantly tuned in, you could miss out. That's why AI Arbitrage is such a game changer. This isn't your average bot. It's a fully intelligent system designed to take the pressure off your shoulders and give you a real edge in the market. Using real-time data analysis, AI Arbitrage constantly monitors the market, detects movements from major players, and executes trades with precision that no human could match. It's built to find opportunities while you're working, relaxing, even sleeping. And the best part? There's nothing to install. AI Arbitrage runs directly in your browser with seamless functionality across laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The interface is clean, user-friendly, and tuned specifically for Canadian traders. Your security comes first. AI Arbitrage uses encrypted protocols and complies with international standards while partnering with some of the biggest crypto exchanges, including Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, and Canada's trusted Bitbuy. That means better pricing, deeper liquidity, and complete control over your funds. You stay in charge. Set your preferred risk level, create stop-loss rules, or explore trading strategies using the built-in demo mode. Whether you're just starting out or managing a more advanced portfolio, AI Arbitrage offers the flexibility and control you need to succeed. And yes, the results are real. AI Arbitrage is trusted by thousands across North America, executing millions of trades and backed by years of experience in AI, fintech, and crypto analytics. Just a quick reminder, with AI crypto tools gaining popularity, fake sites are on the rise. Stick with the official AI Arbitrage link to stay safe and avoid being misled. Getting started is simple. Sign up, fund your account, pick a trading strategy, and let the AI do its job. Most users report seeing results within the first 24 hours, and you're always free to withdraw your profits whenever you like. So, if you're ready to start trading smarter in 2025 with one of the most advanced AI crypto tools available in Canada, tap the link below, create your free account, and take control of your crypto future today. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canada-focused crypto updates. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, the future of trading is automated, intelligent, and already here with AI Arbitrage.